Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Mom, can you tell me a story about one of the Imams tonight?
Of course, my dear. Let me tell you about Imam Musa Al-Kadhim, the 7th Imam of the Ahlulbayt, a man of immense patience and strength. Imam Musa Al-Kazim was born on the 7th of Safar, 128 AH, in Abwa near Medina. He was the son of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq and the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad. From a very young age, he was known for his deep knowledge, humility, and compassion. People would call him Al-Kadhim, meaning the one who controls his anger, because no matter how much people tried to provoke him, he responded with kindness and forgiveness. He spent his life guiding people toward Allah, teaching them the principles of Islam, and showing them how to live righteous lives. But his knowledge and influence threatened the rulers of his time, especially the Abbasid Caliph Harun al-Rashid. Harun feared the love and respect people had for the Imam, so he decided to imprison him, hoping to silence his voice.
They put him in prison. For how long?
For over 14 years, my dear. Imam Musa Al-Kazim was moved from one dark prison to another. They thought they could break his spirit, but they were wrong. Even in prison, the Imam continued to guide people. Guards would secretly come to him for advice, and prisoners found peace in his presence. His patience and reliance on Allah were unshakable. One of the most beautiful stories from his imprisonment is about his constant worship. The guards would hear him praying day and night, saying, "O Allah, I accept this imprisonment as your will. Help me to be patient and grant me contentment." His prayers inspired even his jailers to change their ways.
Did he ever get out of prison?
Unfortunately, no. The Caliph Harun al-Rashid grew more afraid of the Imam's influence, even from within the prison walls, so he ordered his martyrdom. The Imam was poisoned while in Baghdad, and on the 25th of Rajab, 183 AH, he passed away. But even in his martyrdom, he left a legacy. His shrine in Qazmain, Iraq, stands as a beacon of hope and faith for millions. People visit to seek inspiration from his life, his patience, and his unyielding devotion to Allah.
He must have been so strong to endure all of that and still guide people.
Yes, my love. Imam Musa Al-Kazim taught us that no matter how difficult life gets, patience, faith, and kindness can overcome anything. Let his story remind you to always be strong and trust in Allah.